Hallelujah, it's Friday, 'cause I've been working all week. I got a feeling inside me, feeling like moving my feet. One big step to the front, two little slides to the right, three big do whatever makes you wanna keep dancing tonight. Everybody move, groove, get holes in your dancing shoes. If you wanna cry, that's fine. The weekend's a wonderful time. Can you feel that thunder? Thunder underneath your feet. The rhythm of that drummer brings a dancer out of me. I cannot dance. One big step to the front, two little slides to the right, three big